guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I am going to be trying out this color pour premix acrylic pour kit by American Crafts. I have been wanting to do an acrylic pour now forever. I keep seeing them all over Instagram. I keep seeing them all over YouTube, and when I walked into Joann's a couple days after Christmas to use some of the gift cards that I had received and saw this kit, I was like, oh yes, it is definitely time for me to put an attempt in and try some acrylic pouring, and what better time to do it than like now. I mean, I have gift cards. Like, it's like free money, so why not pick up this kit, give it a try, and then also make a YouTube video while we're at it. So today, that's what we're going to do. I have already opened this to take a look at and see what everything that it includes. It has these 10 plastic cups. Let me pop this out of here. Okay, so it has 10 plastic cups. It has 9 different colors of paint. These popsicle sticks so that you can stir your paint. It comes with an artist's guide that tells you how to like combine it, like what to do. You need a torch to use it, so I grabbed this propane tank right here. Hey, and then it also comes with a canvas, two gloves, and then some plastic so that we can cover the table. So let's get this off. Let me move and let's set up our workspace. So I'm really excited for this. I think it is, like, I find the pictures and things that come out from acrylic pouring to just be so pretty. So hopefully this turns out to be really pretty and I'm not an absolute failure. Alright, so we have the table covered. We have our supplies back up. And then I also have an extra canvas that I plan on using so that we can do 2 pictures today. Alright, so next we are laid out our drop cloth and we're going to put on our gloves. We need to prop up the canvas using small cups to allow the paint to drip. And since we're using 4 colors today, actually, you know what, we're going to use 5 colors today. We can use these cups to prop up our canvases. Oh, let's pry that open. Oh, there's something on my canvas. I don't like that. Not cute. Garbage can. Alright, so I'm really excited for this. Like, I love that you can just get a kit for pretty much anything that you want to do nowadays, because the idea of having to buy all of the supplies and all of the different colors to be able to do this myself, like, and not being sure if it's something that I'm capable of doing or if it's something that I'm even going to enjoy doing, is one of the things that was putting me off on it. So I like that I found this kit, and so I'm really excited for this. This is gonna be fun. Okay. You know what I need? First and foremost, I need a hairband. I need to get some spacers for my rings. My wedding ring I never had I got in the size that it currently is, but I've lost a few pounds. My engagement ring, I actually can't get made any smaller. I already had it reduced down from a 9.5. It's my husband's great grandmother's ring. And so like it has this beautiful diamond solitaire with 2 baguettes on the side. And so it's like, it's already slightly oval shaped. So getting it made any smaller is just not a possibility. So I need to look into getting spacers so that I don't have to worry about it constantly flipping around. We're just going to pour it like this because I'm not digging out. There's styrofoam inside of this and I'm not digging it out. So we're just going to pour, it says pour each desired color into separate mixing cups. So we're going to do this blue. And I'm not exactly sure how much I need, but that looks good because I'm only using an 8x10. So we're going to do blue. I had my husband help me pick out these colors. And he wants blue, green, purple, which I'm going to have to actually make. Because I hope I can make it. Because this is more of a dark blue than it is purple. They didn't supply a purple in this. Oh, this one actually stuck. Yeah, this is straight blue. We're just not going to have a purple because I'm not 100% sure if I can mix these. So maybe on my second one. I got paint everywhere. Okay, blue, white, gold, and black. Of course, now I got blue sitting on the white lid. Oop. Hold on. Sorry about that. That was my sister. So, where was I? Okay. So we have the light blue, the dark blue, the green, the white. We are going to do the black. Oop, that one came off too. Black all over my hand, and then some gold. Just a little bit of gold. Okay, so now we have all of those, and it says to add Cell Magic. Cell Magic is what helps create the color blooms when the paint is poured. Add 3 to 4 drops of Cell Magic to each color and stir lightly with a stir stick. Okay, of course I gotta do that the half-assed way, but that's okay. Alright, so this is the Cell Magic. So we're gonna open that up. Do I need to cut anything? Nope. Okay. Oh, but I do need to take off a top. That makes sense. Alright, gotta be smarter than the bottom one. Screw it. We're just gonna go like this. Ugh. Alright. Okay, that was so not appropriate. My mom would not be happy with me, but that's okay. Okay, so where was I? 3 to 4 drops. So we're going to do 1. Oops. All right. And so we want a different stick for each cup. can already see something kind of cool going on in the gold. Of course, I don't think you guys can see that, but we're going to start that one. All right, and then it says starting with either the metallic colors or the lightest colors, pour the paint into a pouring cup. Layer colors for a more varied effect. Do not stir paint. Okay, so we're going to have to do some rearranging of my cups. So I have a pouring cup. All right. Boop, just like that. So starting with the metallic, you know what? We're just going to keep the metallic on the bottom, I think. Is that what I want to do? No. I think we're going to go. So now it says, here we go. Here's my combined. Nice layers. Okay. Starting, pour the paint. Pour the paint onto the canvas. For a different result, quickly flip the cup onto the canvas and then release the paint. I am going to pour it onto this one, and then we're going to do a cup flip and release onto this one and see the different effects that we get. Okay. I don't think I used anywhere near enough of the paint. So we're going to see how this goes. That's why it's a learning process. Okay, pour the paint. Turn the torch on and wave the torch quick motions for 5 to 8 seconds. Okay, and then spread. Oh. Okay, I should have it turned towards you guys. I'm gonna have it spilled all over the place. Yeah, I did not use enough paint. We're just gonna let that go there and kind of pull up. Okay, so now for canvas number 2, we're just gonna do a pour in the center. Oh no. This is why you don't wear nice clothes when you paint. All right, so we're going to do an acrylic pour in the center, and we're going to use a lot more paint. So let's try this again. So gold. Okay, and then we're just gonna Okay, I kind of like the sprinkles like that. All right. Okay, I'm going to take off this glove so I don't get paint all over my propane. All right. I hope I'm doing this right. I have no idea if this is how it's supposed to be done, but that's what we're doing. Boop. Okay. And then we're just going to... Oh my god, this one's so much better. This is so cool. Oh, yes. Oh, it's so fantastic. Ow. Look at it. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Let me scooch down. Look what I did. Oh my god, it's beautiful. We're going to let this dry. And while this is drying, I think I'm going to maybe try to add some more to this one. I don't know what to do with this one now. Maybe I'll just leave it like this. Just have, it's kind of like half a canvas going on. I don't know, it looks kind of cool. Maybe I'll take it off and use it as a reverse canvas. I don't know. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it, but for right now, we'll just leave it kind of sitting like this. And we're going to let that one dry. All right. So this was so much fun to do. It was super, super simple. I kind of wish that there was a little bit more instructions upon how much paint I should be pouring into the cup so that I don't make the mistake that I made here on the first canvas. Shoot. That could also be partially my fault for not maybe doing more like research upon paint pouring instead of just, you know, like watching videos and enjoying other people doing paint pouring. I know that I've seen like super full cups, so maybe that was also just me not really thinking. So definitely make sure that if you're going to do this, that your cup is full to the top, full to the tippy top, so that you can get a full canvas. And until next time, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. Thank you for watching my videos. Please smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and until next time, have a great rest of your day.